Hi everyone, today I have some fun, adorable little cards that we can make with a bunch of our scraps. So as you can see, they're really simple, just, to do. But I always have lots of strips kind of laying around like this from projects. And I wanted to be able to make some cards, but utilize my paper to a really nice way. So these are 3x3, and I'm just gonna show you a couple of fun little ways that I do mine. So the first one, I'm gonna be using a 3x3 paper. So you can either use a 3x3, but if you want it to fold, you can use a 3x6 paper and just fold it in half. So this is gonna be pretty much just single-sided for this. And I'm going to go ahead and decorate. So I'm gonna use some double-sided foam tape just to add some fun little things on. These are just some dies. And I want my paper facing like this. And it's just amazing how you can make the most small scrap paper come to life. And just to make that paper kind of like pop a little bit, definitely add some of your fun little dimensional stickers, like puffy stickers. I like to kind of put that on the top. And I'm loving these fun little like decal stickers. So that just can add a little detail on the side. I'm gonna put one more right here. So you can see that's just one. And I did create some envelopes with my punch board, and I'm just slipping them in basically. So it's a 3x3 sized. All right, so that's the first one. The second one, I'm just going to take a 3x6 paper, and you can either fold it in half or score it at the 3-inch score. So this is just a 3x6, and I'm going to just score it right in the middle because I like a nice clean score. And I'm just using these papers from my main kit. And then for this one, you can see that I just kind of sliced that. So I did fold in half, and then at the 1-inch mark, I just take my cutter. All right. So I'm gonna cut it the front page. So I'm just gonna cut off about 1 inch. And that's going to give you that fun little flap right there. And then I will add some more stickers. So this is just a real fun. Imagine how many more cards you can make if you use like your entire sheet. You'll have 3, 6, 9, and then 12. So you'll have probably about 8 cards or more. So, and then again, going back to my fun little decals because I just love them. They are so cute. This time I'm going to use some green stars. You could even swap them around, but I just like the consistency of the paper. Or the pattern, sorry. Okay, so there's the second one. So we've got these two already, really pretty cards. And then the last one is going to be another 3x6 paper, and we're going to score it, or you can fold in half at the 3-inch mark. I'm just going to go ahead and score mine to give it another clean score. this one, what we're gonna do is put it under the cutter, but kind of just put it diagonal. So it's kind of just like, you know, however you want it. There's no specific way, but just so it's kind of tilted. And you'll have this like that. So you can make it longer, shorter, whatever you would like. And then I really, really love these stickers. They are just so much fun. I kind of like this one, so let's see how this looks. I feel like it matches this. So if you're going on vacation or something. And then put a little heart on the bottom, right here. And then you have that. So again, I just use some envelopes. So you've got this pretty card. And then we have this one here. And this. And there's our 3 really easy cards. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was just really fun. And please check back and subscribe for more fun projects from the Hip Kit. Thank you.